one of the things you include is the whole teacher, coach, done for you models. And I realized that I was trying to be done for you for my clients. And actually I was a coach consultant, and it wasn't quite, it was working, but it wasn't smooth and luscious. And since I've moved into a coach consultant, it's enabled me to massively increase my fees. And also I've got hugely happier clients. I enjoy the work more. And it was just by seeing the models. So that was interesting, where I applied my frugality to my clients, and that's not necessarily what they wanted.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.